بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
A quick introduction about myself. I'm Sikandar Sheikh. I'm a certified in CCI. Basically, I hold three CCI certifications: certified in CCI Enterprise, Service Border, and Security. So I'm expertised in offering different types of trainings, mainly on the Cisco technologies. Apart from that, you'll also find some other trainings on different products, mostly relevant to the network security, service for a data center, those kind of relevant things. Okay. You will find the basically will be doing some online trainings which will be doing generally be done on the weekends. Apart from that, I'm also we also record the sessions. You'll also find some training videos, workbooks, and the lab guides you'll find on the website. Apart from that, also do some kind of IT solutions like consulting and other things. Okay. So specific URLs where you can connect with me.